Amalungu ekomiti axhalabile ngucimicimi wombane nefuthe lawo elingelihle. Afuna impendulo kwabo banoxanduva lokuqinisekisa ukuba izibane zihlala zilayitile. Isebe lamaqumrhu karhulumente lithi oku kufuna intsebenziswano, wonke umntu adlala indima yakhe.
Our aim certainly must be that load shedding must end sooner rather than later. It will end when all of these things are done properly, but in particular, if we have extra megawatts on the system. And thirdly, you can get extra megawatts by doing maintenance better, but also doing the operations, which is a point you're making, Chairperson. But doing the operations that is required to be done by managers at different levels within a power station and within Megawatt Park itself, if everybody does their bit of work with the necessary discipline.
U-Eskom uthi ebefune umbane ongezelelekileyo ukuze akwazi ukuphelisa ucimicimi wombane. Kodwa uthi isicelo sakhe asikafezekiswa.
We all want to reduce load shedding and bring it to an end. It is not an impossible task, but we are faced, as I say, with a plant that has been deteriorating over the past 15 years. So that's the challenge that we are facing, and how we repair and restore this plant requires, I think, a detailed plan in which all the role players are coordinated and are in sync.
Tinglula Mamatya wendaba ze-SABC eParlamente eKapa.